Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable gesture navigation on REALME GT8 Pro. To do that, we're gonna have to open Settings on this smartphone first, and then scroll down to System and Update menu, open it, and here select System Navigation. And if you have buttons selected, tap on Gestures. Then if you want to learn the gestures, tap Learn, otherwise just cancel, and the gesture navigation will be active. We'll also be able to customize gesture navigation by hiding or showing the guide bar, and also activate or deactivate vibrations. We can also adjust the left edge and right edge sensitivity, and adjust the mistouch prevention in this menu. We can also enable or disable circle to search if you'd like to use this feature to search things on your screen easily. And we can also enable or disable the digital assistant, which will be activated after we swipe from the lower right or lower left corner of the phone screen. And we can also enable or disable swipe animations, which will show the previous page that we want to swipe to when we are swiping back. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.